YouTube to sync up. We're now recording. So today I'm going to be showing you the 49% I got over 2 days. Well, day and a half really. But let me show you what we got here. I'm going to now share my screen. Give me a... All right. So in today's market, what we have here, stocks dip as market takes a breather from jobs data. Love these fun headlines, but the market was down earlier. It's barely up. Dow's up 1/10. Nasdaq down 0.25%. Russell's down 1.66, but it is coming back. Crude oil up. Gold down 1.2. Silver 1.5 down. Euros down. The bond is up 2.2%. That's not good. GBP, pound, and the Forex is up slightly. Here's the winner of the day. Bitcoin up 2.9%, and then CMC crypto 200, 4.88%. Now I'm going to show you why we did pretty good so far. And there we go. Nikkei did okay, 0.75%. Okay, so right now what you're looking at is MotiveWave, the software I use to analyze. It's pretty exciting stuff. So I've already talked about Bitcoin. If you've not seen the news about Visa, I think I caught the headline here. I'm just trying to see. Let me see if I could find it here. It was on Forbes. Visa. Let's see here. So right here. Visa moves to allow payment settlements using cryptocurrency. And I believe they're using Ethereum blockchain. So let's check out the current price of Ethereum. And this is again using Binance.com. So you can see it's barely moving. I mean, I don't know what's wrong with that. 10-minute chart, it's moving up a little bit. You would expect that to be exploding right now with that announcement. Let's look at BTC as well, because this sort of news usually will move both these coins. It's up, well, it's barely moving, so not much impact. All right, so knowing that, let's go through our 49%. So this is today. Today is the 29th. We are 13/27. I believe we are looking for our trades of up to 33% today. That's the highest it's been yet. I'm not going to show all of, well, but these are the movers, okay? And then here, this is yesterday, and we resulted at 16.87%. So that's pretty strong, obviously. So let's start, as I do usually, from the bottom on this, go in reverse at each coin. And I'm just going to let you know now that I will be doing a condensed equity curve report. It will only cover the most profitable crypto coins for the day. They'll be doing from here on out, on top of the overall equity curve for both the futures and spot bots, because I think there's enough data to start showing, at least for March, and as well as the metrics as well that you would get in a typical professional term sheet as if you go to a financial advisor. So I do that as well. So I'm going to start doing that as of over the next few days. So let's go through this. So the first one we have here is XXP. And if you've been following along on these kind of videos that I put out, you're going to see a lot of the usuals. Everything comes down to timing. So I'm going to move over to our daily chart here. You can see a lot of these coins took a hit. There's certain coins that barely got hit. I've covered them. That was from my last video I did a few days ago, I think on Friday or Saturday of last week. So knowing what we know, let's get to better coins, hopefully. So we have SXP. I don't like that one right now. It has performed quite well. It all comes down to timing, as you know. The next one we'll look at is BNB. This one right here, this is a daily chart yet again. Let me just pull up a fresh chart here. I don't know what's going on with our, okay, BNB. Okay, we have a problem here. It looks like my charts are not up to date. I've gone through this before. I could tell that March 28th when it's March 29th. So I don't know what's going on with these charts. So let me pull up Binance.com. Now I've done this before as well. Yes, these are definitely out to lunch. Okay, we're gonna do Google, and if you do want to follow along, by all means. So our first one, I'm gonna start again. Apologies there. Binance XSP USDT. Okay. We want our daily charts, so we care about. So right here, I'm going to make sure these are daily charts. Yeah, so this is a daily chart. So now the thing I like about this is that we get our change and amplitude here. I'm not sure amplitude over how long, but if it's up 9%, 8.7%, why not? Next one. Okay, so we're going to look at BNB. Okay, so this is just to show you that it's not smoke and mirrors, right? This is live on Google, Binance. Thanks for the like as well. 3 people are watching. Appreciate it. All right, so here we have BNB, not a star performer. It has done, it's these big moves that I'm after, but we're not seeing them, which is fine by me. But I'm seeing a lot of BNB today. So there might be interesting things to look out for. So VET. Let's see what this VET. This one's been doing okay too, but it's trending nice all the way from here end of 7th. So it's up only 2%. So it's in line with what the markets are going to give you. Next one we have is Engine. This one has done really well in the past. I haven't checked it lately. Let's see how that one's been doing. Okay. Engine. All right, so that's down a little bit. Fine, that's fine. And as I said earlier, I will be condensing reports with a full-on equity curve report, and it will report a cumulative, I can never say it, cumulative a set of positions and the overall P&L. So you can see here, our change, it looks like it's about 17%, 9.5%. Okay, that's CHR. The next one we have here, if you have any questions, by all means, ask away. SRM. Let's see how this has been doing. Okay, so that's a pretty good little run up. So what I'm seeing here is 13%, and then in the last 24 hours, 3.9%. Pretty good. Next up, we have Engine, SRM. Waves is the next one. Waves doesn't do a whole lot, but we have gone through this before. And again, this is on Binance.com. If you're in the US, you may be able to get some of the performance of these coins depending upon the Binance US coin selection. You can see here it's already up 3.77%, 24-hour return or change. Okay, this one's done really well, called Alice. It's a fairly new coin. I don't know how it's been doing in the last few days, but this one, when it first came out, man, this thing performed. Let's see here, Alice. Yeah, it's pretty flat, so nothing much to brag about there. That's typical on new coins. They get added. Kava. Also, one of the things in my future reports that will show you the win-loss ratio, which can be important. Is it the profit that's doing it? Is it the win-loss for certain positions overall? But you can see here, Kava up around. Nice. Kava XSP RVN. RVN's another one. RVN. If you got questions, let me know. So these are the ones we're looking at, the most recent that have added 30+% today. Very flat. RVN. Oh, there's one that's been doing really good lately. It's called Hive. HIVE against USDT. Okay, so let's see how this one's been doing. Again, this is all spot. Boom, that was yesterday. Wow, 45%. Okay, so that's huge. Okay, so today down, was flat now, but that was a good one. Wow, woohoo! SOL. Okay, so SOL. Boom. How's that one been doing? SOL. Nice. Okay, so that's up 3.3% yesterday, 9.76%. Day before that, 11%, and the day before that, 13.7%. Okay, so this is not smoke and mirrors, boys and girls. Maker, let's look at that one. All right. That Hive was a big one. That's what we like. Maker's up. Looks like 3% so far today. Pretty good. All righty. NPXS is our next one. So again, this is on Binance.com, not Binance.us. People need to figure that out, right? So if the Americans are complaining about this, they'll have to go to their senator and, okay, so NPXS is not doing too good. Yeah, so the folks over in the US have got to complain to their senators, Congress people, write letters, whatever, to say, yo, why are you screwing us over? Okay, this is not do good. That's, I'm sorry, that's, we want REEF. RE. Okay, REEF. Next one we'll do is Doge. Again, that's been flatly, but look at that, that's been pretty good. So that's up 7.13, no, is it 13% I'm seeing here? Yeah. Yesterday was 7.5%. Not bad. Okay, let's do Doge. A lot of people want Doge, but unfortunately, I think they missed out. What I understand, there's rumors that Elon Musk is now putting his efforts into Cardano. So who knows where things will go, but Doge has been flat. All right, so NXPF, RVN, Alice. We've looked at CHZ. We have not looked at. Okay, let's look at CHZ, or CHZ as they say in American. And then the next one we'll look at is Link. Probably another disappointment, but it's the occasional one like Hive that comes along, you get a huge return. I mean, it's just absolutely bonkers what you can get, but needle in a haystack. Okay, so that one's doing okay. We're up, what are we looking at? Today, 5.85%. Next one's XLM. Again, these are not explosive movers, but they're fairly consistent, independent of Bitcoin, the direction of Bitcoin. But, today, 3.5%, 4.11 yesterday for Stellar. That's okay. I mean, who's going to complain, right? ETC, Ethereum Classic. I'm seeing more Ethereum Classic be traded than Ethereum on any average day. Okay, So here we got 4.07% change today. Okay, and if I was to show you, well, let's do that comparatively to Ethereum. So let's see that, how that's been doing. Looks like it's up, yeah, 7%. So that's hopefully that Visa news is now kicking in. So what do we have here? Let's look at Zcash. All right, I've seen more Zcash than Monero, that's for sure. That's up, whoa, big. So here we are looking at a 4.5% today, 8.42 yesterday, and 8.49% moves in the last 3 days for that. Pretty good. Kava, did we do Kava? I think we did. Yeah, we did. Okay. Next one up we have here is CHZ. BTC I have here. We've looked at that. This one has done pretty good. Sand. There's so many positions here. It's crazy. When the markets move, there's so many. Wow. Okay. So today or yesterday, it was up 13%. Day before that, 15%. And the day before that was up 6%. Nice. So will Sand continue that? I don't know. It's been doing pretty good lately. Let's look at 1 inch. So again, these have access to. Anyone else in the US will get access to that. I'm sorry to tell you that, but I do give you return, but not like what you're seeing today. So this is up, let's see here, up, well, I'm seeing, this doesn't make sense here. Okay, so yesterday was 2.39, 11.71 today for 1 inch. That's pretty good. BTT, this one's been doing pretty good too. But the best one so far has been Hive, without a doubt. Okay, so BTT, let's do this one. BTT, okay, that's kind of, well, not flat, but today it's up 5.4%. Next one is Doge. There was BAT, basic attention. It's a basic attention token. I think that's what it stands for. Okay, let's look at this one. So this is up. Yeah, it's up a little bit. I'm seeing here, you know, well, 1.6%. Okay, we have now Cardano. Or Elon Musk taking this coin, that might move it to 3.6%. But it's got 3 up moves. So a few days ago it was up 10%. SRM, I think we showed that. Hive, Algo, let's look at that one. There's so many here, and these are some, 5-10% a day, but collectively, boy. Okay, so this one's up 3.6 yesterday, 6.5, 3.79 the day before. Not bad. Continuing along, I have here Dash. Okay, Dash. Let's see how this one's been doing. Not too, look, 3% is nothing to scoff at. 3.02% yesterday is pretty good. Okay, we have Bitcoin Cash. This one I don't see a lot of. My future spot will allow it to trade, but it doesn't pick up those trades. I don't know why. So Bitcoin Cash, let's see what it's been doing. Yeah, okay, it's okay, 4.8%. QTOM, this one's been on a tear lately, up until last time I remember checking it. Q-Tum. Got any questions or comments? I'll gladly look them up. Okay, this one's up, not too good. All right, 4.9%. Again, pretty nice. EOS, let's look at that one. Okay, EOS. So that's up, 3.91%, 3.1%. Looking for others, SCU, USDT. Oh, get rid of that. Okay. No, we want SC. Oh, it is, sorry, SIA coin. This one was left for dead for a while. But yeah, this one's down. Well, last few days looks pretty good. 10%. We are now 10%, 4%. Today it's barely moving. And another time it was up 14.9%. Woo, wow. I talk about those kind of coins that just come out of nowhere, no story, nothing. You have to have a performing bot to reap the rewards of what crypto can give you. Atom. Well, 2 days of up moves. We got 6%. The day before that was 3.35. That's Atom. We've got YFI next. YFI. And we're going to be doing 2 days. This is the high performing day today. Oh, there's one coin I missed. This is a good one. YFI 9 look at that. Wow. Big move there. Up 10% for YFI. I'm not seeing YFI lately. The one we missed here is T-Fuel. This one's been doing really good. T-Fuel. Let's see how this one's been doing. T-Fuel. Up until 0.93%. Okay, continuing along. Matic. No, actually, there's IOST. People have been asking about this coin. Let's see how it's doing today. See, when you're asking about coins, that's all fine and good, but you may have missed the trading opportunity when you're asking about it. You got to get in when you think it's hot, but it's up 3.99%, but definitely not a top mover today. Another one we have here is Matic. I remember seeing this one be moving quite well lately, but let's see this one, Matic. Whoa, 10.98%. Day before that was 4.3. Pretty good. What else we have here? Qtum, Ethereum 1-inch H-bar. H-bar was another good one. H-bar. Let's see how that puppy's been doing. There it is, another big one, 16.22% today. Pretty good. JST. I don't even know why they bother joining that. JST, they think I'm a bot. Yeah, okay, I'm not a bot. Okay, here's GST up slightly. That's fine. Matic, IOST, BTT, we look good as well. NKR. Down today. Oops, that's a rare one. Let's look at what else we got. I'm looking for OMG. I haven't seen this trade a lot lately. OMG. Okay. So that's a big mover. Okay, so today it's up 14%. Yesterday was up 10.48. And the day before that, or 2 days before that, 7.2%. Awesome. DOT. Let's look at that one. Polka dot. Hopefully you're on my Telegram news. The one that's been talked about a lot is Uniswap. So I'm sure we'll. Okay, polka dot. I see it up a little bit. 7%. Sushi's another one. There's just so many coins here. This is the prime age of being in crypto, specifically on these little coins that we're dealing with. Without a doubt, I mean, these coins doesn't matter. It's how the bot performs, and it's been doing really good lately. As I'm showcasing here, this one's not too awesome. I mean, it's up 4%. Am I going to complain about that? No, it's money in the bank. Kava, RSR. We'll do ICX. And after that, I think I see Monero coming up. 6.2%. That's been on a fairly good tear. 9%. We have here 2.4, 1.05%. Oh, doing pretty good too. ICX. ICX. All right, so what do we got here? 5.5% is really good. I'm not going to go through those, but it's doing pretty good. Let's look at XMR. So I will say this after looking at XMR, but I know what I'm going to say. Okay, here's XMR, Monero. So it's up 4.78%, 2-day run up, not bad. 5.1 the day before. These are these bigger coins. We'll call them a legacy. It's the newer ones that do really, really good. Oh, Cake was another one I saw that's doing pretty good. This is a newer one. Let's see this one. Oh, no. But had 2 days there of pretty good moves. 7% the day before that, 17%. And if you're the kind of person waiting for these to move up, and then you decide, okay, this looks good, I don't want to miss out, and then boom, boom, you miss out on that opportunity. So that's where you miss out on that opportunity. Okay, FTM. This might be one I've not seen in a while, but I'm sure this is starting to move. These are just hunches. Okay, FTM 6%. We're looking at 7.75, 9.29 before that, and 13% before that. Storage. This one has been just a monster lately. Last few days, just an amazing coin. But again, Storage. Okay, not too good, but there that previous day, that was up 109.97%. But it's not moving after that. And a lot of people probably miss out on that move. Avex. A lot of people ask about this coin. Again, timing. Not flat. FLM. I think my Binance might be alive all of a sudden, but I'll continue doing this method. It's more transparent. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. We have a coin on the move. This is up, what am I seeing here? About 4.5%. Yesterday was a big move, 32%. That one's got some potential there. That's FLM. SRM, Doge, Atom, BNB. We have gone through a lot of these coins. Coin being relisted now. An exchange relisted it. So maybe there's some progress going on in the lawsuit with the SEC. 3.1%. FTM, EOS, Link, Theta, Cardano. Oh, here we go. As I said, Uniswap. Let's take a look at that one. Uniswap. Yeah, okay, it moved a tiny bit. 4.9% I saw there. Yeah, 4.9%. REN. See how this puppy's been doing. We don't want that one. REN. So I don't know how many more days they'll be doing this type of analysis, but it'll be in new reporting. 4.9% today, yesterday 4.6. So that's a nice little mover. Tezos. There's another one. Let's look at that one. XTZ. Okay, that one's up 5.2% today, 3.9 before, and whatever. Okay. Coins. Oh, here's our big one. That was Dent. D-E-N-T. This was a really good one. Really good. Dent. How's that been doing? Okay, it's been flat. You can see those big run-up moves here. But today it's up 5.9%. Again, you miss out. Oh, well. KSM. KSM. I'm looking for new coins. A lot of them we've already looked at. There's another good one. Look at this run up. Small, but very consistent. 5.6% today, yesterday, 9%. And it's just been green for a lot of those moves since January 28th. Nice. That's a good hodl right there. That's a good hodl. Okay, another one, the hodl that I like, it's probably my favorite coin out of all of them, is Theta. This now, it did break the top 10. Everyone's looking for a winner. This could be it. Here we go. Let's see how this one's been performing. Okay, it's been flat for the last few days. It's only up 2.7. Prior day, 8.8%. Okay, that's not bad. But still, you can see it like KSM's just been doing really well. And the volume, people are starting to pick up on that coin as well. XLM, XSP. Okay, we have another one here called One. One. Also, I do see Litecoin in here. We've already talked about that in the previous coin. It's been very choppy lately. Actually, no. Let me just look at that. I'm going to look at Litecoin regardless. Okay, so yesterday was a good day. 22%, but it's down today. Okay, so let's look at Litecoin. LTC, boom, let's do that. All right, so Litecoin is, it's up 5.8%, so that's not bad. It's probably a better coin out of the ones I track in the Binance and Ethereum bot. Okay, we have here another one here, Neo. Okay, Neo I'm not excited about. I don't know. I think people are saying comments on other videos, but I'm not going to respond to those right now. No live stream. Neil. Let's see here. Neil's been 2.8% yesterday. Look at that, 8.9%. That's a surprise move for Neo. So this thing's been doing pretty good. I'm not going to write that off. GRT is another one that did perform. GRT. Okay. All righty. 4.8%. Was that yesterday? Changed 23% yesterday. If you were on Coinbase, that would have been a good one. T-Fuel, a lot of these have already gone over, but we've gone through 2/3 of these. So we have here ZIL. This used to be a nice coin to have. I don't think it's, but again, I could always be. Let's see here. ZIL. So what do we got here? It's been moving up a little bit, 3.2% today, 2.79 yesterday. Okay, here's a new one I haven't seen before called Dodo. Okay, I'm not going to ask the reason for the name of this, but this is a new one. Let's check out this one. Dodo. Up 10.9%. Okay, so it's been 4 days of up moves. 2 days ago, 15.6%. That's a good one to know about. What else we got here? OGN. OGN. So many coins, such little time. Okay, OGN. How's this one been doing? Okay, here's another coin I haven't seen in a while. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so that's up 24% today. Yesterday was up 30%. The day before that was 14%, and the day before that was 16%. That's called a winner. Wow. That one was called OGN. Okay, so let's look at the next one, TRB. Here, let's look at TRB. Okay, that's pretty good too. 12%, 2 days ago, 19%, 32% up moves. Nice. Okay, let's look at Filecoin. Filecoin can surprise. Filecoin can surprise. This was a hyped up coin, and those on Coinbase will be stuck with it. Wait, 3 days ago was pretty good. 36%. 2 days ago was up 6%, but today that's not even 1% move. Oh, here's another one that we had that did really good. Myth. This one did awesome. Let's see how it's been doing. This is a fairly new coin, but I think this one's gonna be flat. But I could be wrong. Look at that. Yesterday was amazing. 48%. My God, but it's down today. You see here, you had a couple of days move, drifts down for a couple of days, and then just storms right back with 1 day, 48%. It's a guessing game out there, unless you're watching via a bot, SKL. Okay, SKL. Wow, big one. 33% today. Yesterday, 24%, 12%. Wow, and that one against SKL. Here's another one that's done pretty good. It's Mana. Okay, Mana. Let's see this one. big day, 23%. Today it's down. ZRX. This one can do okay, but we are hitting a hot streak here of coins that have just been moving lately. Okay, I'm still looking for any other ones. So yeah, 6.9%. Still looking for some other coins here that this thing trades. Unreal, some of these coins, but a lot of them. Okay, so I'm seeing a pile of XEM. This one I'm not a fan of, XEM. But timing could be good for this coin. But last time I looked, it was nothing but down, down, down. And yeah, you can see that big drop there. It's up 3.2%. Not a good coin. And a pile of them. We have here now CRV. So we're in the bottom. Okay, we're almost done for today's trades. But you can see why we got 30+% so far, 9%, really 10% on CRV today. XEM, let's see what else we got here. Ontology, how did the Ontology do? Bum, 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 bum. Wow, it's been 4 days of run-ups, which are really good. 6%, 10.3, 6.9, and another 10% over those last 4 days. AKRO. Okay, this is another new one. AKRO. Let's see here. FLM's another one. So yesterday had a really good day for this coin. It was up 30%. Day before that, 8.6, 13.8. So today it's down. Last coin for today is FLM. FLM. So I'm going to do the same process again for yesterday. Today was a good moving coin day today. Let's check this out. Yes, big day. So that's up 3.8% today. Yesterday was a pretty good day, 32%. 3% day before and 9% the day before that. Okay, so that is today. Let's go through yesterday. I'm going to look for new coins I've not listed. Okay, so I'm going to go through these again and just look for anything new that we've not gone through yesterday. There's quite a few, over 500. Here I have one, AD Audio. This is a new one. Audio. Let's see what this one's all about. There's quite a few trades on this one. So yesterday, nice run up until 2 days ago. So 2 days ago, it gave you 34%. The day before that, 24%. For the last 2 days, it's been down. CELR has been a good one. But again, this is again yesterday. CELR. And yesterday gave 16%. Today we're already up 30 some odd percent. So 2 days ago it gave you let's see, anything new here I've not covered. Myth we've covered, Acro, quite a few of those. Theta we've looked at, Dent we've looked at. Yeah, a lot of these we've already covered. Bomb, 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 bomb. Alice, did we cover? I think we did. Well, I'll pull it up again. Quite a few of these yesterday. Alice, let's see that, how that's been doing. Yeah, it was a flat one. RSR. Band, I don't think we covered. No requests or comments so far. This is one of the quietest videos I've done in a long time. Day after 7.9%, 2% the following day, and today up, we're looking at 3%. Okay. A lot of these we've already gone through. Yeah, a lot of them we've already gone through. If you're still watching, got a comment, question, let me know, because we are coming up to the end of this video. My next video will be the CFD charts. Okay, we're done. Been running this video for a while, 45 minutes seems. We'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. And before I go, usual, okay, if you want to join the newsletter, come to quantlabs.net, get your free trading stuff, PDFs, products. As I said before, if you want everything here listed for a year, get the Quant Elite services. That's including what I'm showing you to set up your automated crypto trading. Other than that, we shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Have your